Well, what do you do when you've got 102,579 miles on a car? You gotta change the spark plugs. Let's get to it. This is a 2016 Ford Fusion 2.5 liter engine. SE, nothing fancy. Here are some of the things you're gonna need to replace the spark plugs. Recommending Ford Motorcraft Iridium spark plugs. There's the part number. A ratchet with an 8mm socket. A deep well spark plug socket and ratchet. And some spark plug boot protector. And that's it. This is pretty easy. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. They're right up top. Easy to get to. This should be done within 5-10 minutes max. Let's get started. Something else you want to check is the gap on the new plugs. Ford recommends 0.052, and that's 0.05. That's really close. Can't focus in, but that's really close. That's about where it should be though. So that's good to know. Always check the gap on your spark plugs and make sure they are in the specs. First thing you want to do is unplug the connector. Squeeze, I'll trade off. 8mm socket ratchet. Pull the boot up, comes right off. To the side. You're gonna take your spark plug socket. Be careful. It's snug, but it shouldn't be too snug. Let's go easy with it. Come on. Forgot to mention a magnet does help pull it, the plug. There we are. There's the old plug. It's a little worn out. 102,000 miles on it. Here's the old plug. That's what the new plug looks like. So this is definitely worn. So let's put that in. Put your boot grease on there. This in. In. Carefully start carefully turn it cross-threading thing. Turn it slowly. Do not want to cross-thread these. Trying to get some resistance. It's tightening up. It's tight. Got a little turn. That's in. Your boot back on. Back up. Not too tight. We can plug the connector back in. That's pretty much it. We'll do the other three and we'll be done. That's it, folks. That's 4 spark plugs replaced in about 15 minutes. So, again, all you need is 8mm socket, deep well spark plug socket, a magnet, spark plug gapper, some boot protector, and spark plugs. That's all you need. Let's check it out and make sure it starts. Okay, we're back in the car. Let's start it up. All right. Starts and runs, and that's pretty much it. That's how you replace the spark plugs on a 2016 Ford Fusion 2.5 liter, and that's about it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks again.